Until one meets demons in the inner world, one tries to massacre them in the outer world. Failing to encounter inner world fiends is how we humans make a mess of things. Every thought leads to love, hate, or indifference. Thoughts of love are the ones that cause the most constructive conversions of character. If one is going to transform the world by transforming oneself, one needs to reach deep within, even to the nasty corners. The Bible and other ancient texts tell us that one can't transform poisons in the body and poisons in the environment through transmutation, the process of changing one substance, energy, or nature into another form. Any mentioning of transmutation normally evokes a doubting attitude. There is no need here, however, to cock your skeptical trigger. There will be no dubious medieval science, nor any untested speculative philosophy, including in this videotape presentation. The emphasis will be on changing oneself so changing in the environment can follow. The new alchemy you will learn in this videotape will be stripped of its questionable trappings. It will focus on altering mental patterns that are not working for you. It will focus on improving your rapport with the ecological and spiritual realms, and on enhancing your imagination.